Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to make a presentation using ChatGPT and VBA in PowerPoint. First of all, open ChatGPT and in the prompt write that, "Write me a code of VBA for a professional presentation on AI and its revolution." Now wait until it generates the VBA code. And simultaneously open PowerPoint. Click on Blank Presentation and go to the View tab. After that, in the View tab, the last option of macros, click there and go to ChatGPT. Now in the starting of the code, there will be a presentation on AI or the subject that you can see on the first line. Just copy that code and paste it in the text box of the VBA or macros. Then click on Create and it will create the project of VBA. Now simply paste the code in the blank space of the VBA module, and then delete the extra same spellings. Now, as you can see here, it has generated all the templates of 5 slides with the things which we want, and you can increase the number of slides by telling the ChatGPT based upon the results. Also, if you want to make it more attractive, you can go to Design tabs and select the best design you'd want and other things or components. You can add manually. Here, I like this design of black and white contrast. That's the reason why I selected this theme, and it looks convenient one. You can give many other designs as well. This is the last and the final result of this presentation made by ChatGPT and a part of Codecraft Academy. Thanks for watching. If we'll get to learn something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.